In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a PST file in Microsoft Outlook, specifically using the older version of Outlook where this feature is still available. If you're using the newer version, keep in mind that this option is no longer supported, so this guide is only for the classic Outlook interface. First, make sure you're already logged into your Outlook account. Once you're inside Outlook, go to the top left corner and click on File. This section gives you access to many advanced options, including importing and exporting your data. From the File menu, scroll down and select Open and Export. This is where you can manage external files, which is exactly what we need. After that, click on Import Export to open the Import and Export wizard. A pop-up window will appear. Here, select Import from another program or file, which allows Outlook to bring data from a backup. Click Next to continue. Now choose Outlook Data File .pst because PST is the format Outlook uses for storing emails, contacts, and calendar data. Select it and click Next. Next, browse your computer and locate the PST file you want to import. Once you select it, you'll see options for handling duplicates. You can replace duplicates, allow duplicates, or prevent them from being imported. Choose whichever fits your situation and proceed. If your PST file has a password, Outlook will ask you to enter it. Type the correct password to unlock the file and click OK. Finally, click Finish and Outlook will start importing your data. Once completed, your PST file will be fully added to your Outlook account. You can check your folders to confirm everything has been imported correctly. And that's it. This is how you can import a PST file into the older version of Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Outlook data more efficiently.